In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Squarespace website in about 5 minutes. Let's face it, there comes a time when you might need to part ways with your website. Maybe you're pivoting in your business, or you simply want to take a hiatus. Whatever the reason, Squarespace makes it fairly straightforward to close your site, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Before we dive in, just a reminder that this process is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any content you might want to save. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your starting point. Whether you're deciding to close down your website after many years or a short stint, Squarespace's user-friendly interface will make this process as smooth as possible. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll find the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Squarespace account and taking the next steps. Click on it to move forward in the process. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. This option allows for a faster login experience if your Squarespace account is linked to a Google account. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. If you've used another method to create your account, simply proceed with the relevant option. Following that, you'll have to click on your Google account. This will authenticate and sign you into Squarespace, granting you access to your account dashboard. Make sure you select the correct Google account that is linked to your Squarespace website. Now here's where you'll need to pay a bit of attention. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page for your profile picture. Your profile picture acts as the portal to your account settings. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to a drop-down or a new page where you can manage your account settings. After navigating to your account settings via your profile picture, you'll find the option to log out. This might seem a bit counterintuitive because we're closing the website, not just logging out, right? However, this is an important step in the closure process on Squarespace. Click on Log Out to sign out of your account. It ensures that your session ends properly before you take the final step of closing your browser tab. Speaking of the final step, it's as straightforward as it sounds. Simply close your browser tab. This might seem like a small, insignificant action, but it symbolizes the end of your journey with your Squarespace site. By closing the tab, you're ensuring that all the changes you've made have been finalized, and that there's no unsaved work lingering around. And there you have it. That's how you can close down your Squarespace website in about 5 minutes. It's a process that Squarespace has designed to be as hassle-free as possible, from logging in to finally closing your browser tab. Just a couple of things to remember. Make sure you've saved any important content before beginning this process. Once your website is closed, retrieving content might not be possible. Also, this process doesn't delete your Squarespace account itself. It simply logs you out and signifies the closure of your site's active status. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Navigating digital spaces like Squarespace can sometimes be challenging, but with the right guide, you can accomplish what you set out to do efficiently and effectively. Whether it's closing your website or making any other significant changes, remember to take it one step at a time. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Goodbye for now, and best of luck with your future endeavours, both online and off.